Hey guys, so welcome to Random Repairs channels. As you can see, today I have a iPhone 4S. I'm going to repair the battery of this phone, and as you can see, the old battery, it's already swollen and cannot hold any power. I always need to plug into the charger to use the phone. So today I'll try to replace the battery. So I have ordered one battery which is around $6. It's a generic battery, no brand. I don't know how long it will work because I have a 6-month warranty, so I think it will last 6 months. Let's open the phone and check it. Anyway, this phone is not mine. It is given by one of my friend, which in this phone was iCloud locked, so I need to unlock it, and also the home button doesn't work and back glass is shattered. I will replace those things. I already unlocked the iCloud, so that's why I bought new battery to replace. Let's check the package and they sent with battery. I think it has some accessories to open the phone and to replace it, but I don't think I really need those things because I already have those things. Previously I have replaced many batteries, so I got those same things again and again. And as you can see, this is the battery. There is written 4S, and it has a metal plate which goes on top of the battery, and here we have the accessories. I don't think I really need those things, so let's check the battery. I can't open it. I think I need to cut the package. Actually, this is a chip type package, but it doesn't open, so I need to cut it off, I think. So let's cut it. So as you can see, this is the battery. Now let's put the battery and try it work or not. I think it will work because this battery does look good. Anyway, I think the cable comes with battery is too long, so I can't really put the battery properly. Anyway, I need to, I think, rearrange the battery cable. After that I will do it. Let's try to put it up. Okay, it's booting. Previous battery can't boot this device because the battery can't hold any power and it was badly swollen. This phone has many problems. Actually, the silent button doesn't work. Sometimes it's randomly silent, and just also I need to replace the home button because the home button also doesn't work. I don't think I will use this phone as a phone, but I'm going to use it as an iPod, so I don't think I'm gonna replace the home button. But anyway, if I get it, I will replace it. I don't think those things are necessary. The phone is okay, perfectly fine. The camera does work, but as you can see, the back plate, I put one sticker behind it because the back glass is shattered. I don't really use the camera of this phone because I have another phone. As you can see, this phone moved up. Now I need to screw the battery to hold it. The phone is actually quite good. It's small and also very handy to use, but as you can see, the home button doesn't work. I need to use this excessive dust to run it, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's turn it off and put the battery screws and other things back on. I think I lost the screws of the battery. I have only one, I think, and also the metal plate. There was a metal plate, I think, goes on top of the battery line. That one also I lost. So let's replace the battery. It's really hard to put back the battery because, like as I said, the cable is too long. The old one is not that long, so it could be because it's new, so the cable is hard. So as you can see, I'm trying really hard to put it back. Yes, I lost the small plate goes on top of the battery line, and I lost it. It was here when I was assembling. It was here, but now I lost it. The plate. So let's put it back. I need to use the screws from the package. I have only one screw for this. I'm trying to use one screw from MacBook keyboard, which I was previously repaired. I'm trying to put that screw here. As you can see, I don't think that the metal plate which goes on top of it is that much necessary. Let's wrap it up. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel. I will be coming with new videos, repair videos. I do have many things to repair right now, but in future I think I will do many more repairs. Like I do have an iPhone 5s and other phones which I need to repair. So see you.